Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to talk about something simple and useful, my evening routine. I'll speak slowly and clearly so you can follow along easily. This lesson is great for beginners and A2 learners. Ready? Let's begin. After I finish my work in the evening, I start my journey home. I usually leave at around 5 o'clock and take the bus. It's a short ride, about 20 minutes, so I use this time to relax. When I get home, the first thing I do is get comfortable. I take off my shoes and put my bag away. It feels really good to be home after a long day. Next, I go to the kitchen to prepare my dinner. I like to keep my meals simple. On some days, I cook rice with vegetables. On other days, I might make pasta or just have a fresh salad. While I eat, I usually drink water or sometimes a warm cup of tea. After I finish eating, I clean up. I wash the dishes and make sure the kitchen is neat. I enjoy having a clean space. It helps me feel calm. In the evening, I take time to relax. I sit in the living room, usually on the sofa. Sometimes I listen to music. Sometimes I watch TV. And sometimes I read a book. At around 9 o'clock, I start getting ready for bed. I brush my teeth and wash my face with warm water. Then I change into my pajamas. Finally, I go to my bedroom. I turn off the lights, lie down, and close my eyes. That's the end of my day. Now it's your turn. What do you usually do in the evening? Thank you for learning with me today. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple English videos.